Hi riders! If you want serious reviews, the latest motorcycle news, action and sound videos of the hottest motorcycles, join us to Bikers Club.
In this video, we will talk about the new Ducati Streetfighter V4 Lamborghini first look. So make sure to watch the full video. The 2023 Ducati Streetfighter V4 Lamborghini has been unveiled at Misano World Circuit Marco Simoncelli as the 2022 San Marino and Rimini Riviera Grand Prix begins. The Streetfighter V4 Lamborghini is the latest collaborative effort between Ducati and Lamborghini. It takes inspiration from the Lamborghini Huracán STO supercar by incorporating numerous styling elements into this exclusive model, which is limited to 630 plus 63 units. In addition to 630 standard limited edition units, 63 Speciale Clienti units will be available to current Lamborghini owners only. All SF V4 Lamborghinis will feature an engraved serial number on the fuel tank and an aluminum certificate of authenticity. United efforts between a motorcycle and automotive maker are exceedingly rare, though the two Italian manufacturers share deep cultural and business connections. Importantly, Ducati and Lamborghini call the legendary Motor Valley home and live under the Volkswagen Group ownership umbrella, which undoubtedly facilitated the cooperative efforts between these high-performance marques. Last year, Ducati and Lamborghini joined to release the limited edition 2021 Ducati Diavel 1260 Lamborghini, which referenced the Lamborghini Scene FKP 37. The latest incarnation between these Italian powerhouses is also the first announcement in Ducati's 7-part world premiere series, announcing new 2023 motorcycles. The first installment features a guest appearance from factory Ducati Lenovo team MotoGP rider Pecco Bagnaia, whose 63 is featured prominently. For this latest collaboration, Ducati and Lamborghini say that the 2023 Panigale V4 S is used the technical base, reworking it in the image of Lamborghini's flagship Huracán STO model by integrating numerous STO stylistic cues into redesigned bodywork. We should note that a 2023 Streetfighter V4 platform update is rumored to be on the horizon, though not yet confirmed, and could explain why it is not explicitly cited. Mechanically speaking, it appears to be the SF V4 S we are familiar with, down to the 208 horsepower, 1103cc Desmosedici Stradale V4 engine, front frame chassis design, and Öhlins Smart EC 2.0 semi-active suspension. However, there is plenty to separate it from the production Streetfighters, with exclusive forged aluminum wheels featuring a Lamborghini-designed titanium wheel nut, an Akrapovic exhaust, and a dry clutch. Aside from the performance enhancements those components might offer, there is a bevy of functional bolt-on accessories such as adjustable rear sets and levers. In addition, owners are provided with an open carbon fiber dry clutch cover, mirror and license plate block-off plates, a racing fuel cap, and a motorcycle cover in matching livery. Of course, the most significant changes come from Ducati's in-house Centro-style design team. They have redesigned the carbon fiber front mudguard, tank cover, belly pan, and tail in the STO's aggressive style. The mudguard features the signature Lamborghini Cofango dual-fang air vents, while the Huracan's brake cooling ducts inspire the belly pan's extractors. Vents on the fuel tank and single-seat tail reference those found throughout the STO. Things are taken even further, as all the carbon fiber found throughout the SF V4 Lamborghini utilizes the same textures seen on Lamborghini models. The carbon fiber appears again in several other details that were once plastic, including heat protection panels near the rear cylinder bank and manifolds, headlight support, rear fender, subframe guards, heel guards, seat pad, dashboard cover, ignition switch, and sprocket protection. If it was plastic before, it's lightweight carbon fiber now. Ducati states that 630 Streetfighter Lamborghini units will be available in the Verde Citria and Arancio DAC livery, one of the livery options on the Huracán STO. Additionally, an ultra-exclusive run of 63 motorcycles, known as the Speciale Clienti, will be available to current Lamborghini owners with extra perks. Owners can match the SF V4 Lamborghini colors and wheels to their current car, along with 4 brake caliper color choices and 4 saddle variations. The 2023 Ducati Streetfighter V4 Lamborghini will hit dealers in the United States and Canada in May 2023. Pricing for the SF V4 Lamborghini is set at $68,000, while Speciale Clienti variants command an $83,000 MSRP. What do you think about the new Ducati Streetfighter V4 Lamborghini? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel before you go.